Hi everyone, today I would like to show you this portable electric tea kettle. Small size, you can take it with you everywhere, on vacation, on hiking, fishing. Stainless steel inside, it will be easy to clean, automatic shut off, plus 4 temperature settings. So, here's the cable, cleaning brush, and this is our case. Right, let's put some water inside, and perfect tea kettle to take it with you at work. Here's the maximum level inside. Close it. There's a handle and comes with another holder, but I love this one, so if you're hiking you can take it with you on your shoulders. Perfect. All right, let's connect it. First, right here. Oh, done. There's the on and off button, just touch it. And 212 Fahrenheit, 176, 131, and 113. Right, let's leave it for a couple minutes. 211, almost done. Super fast. Done. Let's see if it's automatically will shut off. Yes. And it's time to make some tea. Right. Perfect. Stainless steel material inside, great quality. Guys, I will send this travel electric tea kettle for review, and I will definitely recommend to buy it. Fast preheating for temperature settings, with handle and with 2 cases. So you can always buy it on Amazon.